Hi, I'm Crypto Angela Baby. Welcome to another episode of Weekly Crypto News that gets referenced from Coin Daily News. Before we start, you must always remember that crypto is a high-risk investment, so please do your research before taking any actions. Again, I'm just sharing crypto news based on my personal interest and definitely will not be responsible for any of your loss. Binance Labs, the cryptocurrency exchange investment and venture capital organization, has announced the launch of a new fund with $500 million in capital, focusing its action on Web3 and blockchain technologies. The fund has the participation of DST Global Partners and Braille Capital, amongst other firms and investors. Binance Labs has been around since 2018 and has supported projects that have been relevant in the cryptocurrency and GameFi industries such as Axie Infinity, Elrond, June Analytics, and The Sandbox. It funds startups in the field that have just started to operate and are seeking funding and counseling in their operations. So far, Binance Labs has hosted 4 seasons of its global incubation project, where over 100 projects from 25 different countries have been incubated by the organization. Incubation will also be a big part of the new fund, with the exchange looking to connect with these startups and help them grow by providing funding and expertise in different fields. Up next, Changbong Zhao, CEO of Binance, revealed that the company invested in Terra as part of a Binance Labs investment in 2018 with $3 million at the time. In a recent interview with Fortune, the Binance CEO stated that he received some Luna coins in return, which were kept in a cryptocurrency wallet address made public and left untouched at around 50 million Luna. The Binance CEO added that they haven't made any money. Even today, theoretically, they have lost around $1.6 billion in investment at the top. The original Terra ecosystem's implosion sent shockwaves through the crypto world, with major cryptocurrency exchanges coming under fire for listing the failed stablecoin and token in the first place. Binance was criticized after announcing support for Terra 2.0, the new Luna currency, and participating in its airdrop. Next, it's about BAYC. According to the announcement on the official Twitter account of the BAYC, the Discord group of one of the largest NFT collections in the market has been compromised for a while. Around 200 ETH or $350,000 worth of NFTs were impacted. According to reports, the BAYC team is still investigating and looking for users who have been affected by hackers or scammers. Unfortunately, there is no way to return stolen assets, especially if the scammers have already sold the coins on secondary markets. It's unclear if the issue has anything to do with Discord security or a certain member of Bored Apes Yacht club management. The team reminded its subscribers that they are not doing any surprise mints or giveaways ever. Scammers use fake giveaway phishing websites to steal users' data and then get access to the wallets containing NFT pieces. Moving forward, opening trading for the week's GMT move to earn Stepn was met with growth of over 10%. This spike allowed GMT to recoup a third of its 30% decline from late May to 5th of June. GMT is currently trading at late March levels, $1.05 per token, with a complete leveling off from its astonishing run in April when the price of a token was near $4.2 at its peak. At the end of May, it was learned that Stepn would be forced to exit the Chinese market entirely on 15th of July. The ratings immediately crashed, but the company said mainland Chinese users accounted for 5% of the platform's total user base. Even recent CryptoRank data demonstrated that Stepn's active user base has been growing steadily since the beginning of the year. In May alone, the figure increased by 192%, but the project ran into difficulties again on 5th of June when it was learned that the project was subject to a series of DDoS attacks, which was the third such case in a few months. Stepn's team was soon announced that the situation is under control and that server protection and recovery may take 1 to 12 hours. Based on the news on 6th of June, Bitcoin has finally ended its worst bearish streak yet after marking a green candle on its weekly chart. The flagship coin has narrowly avoided scoring the 10th consecutive candle in the red. Bitcoin is up 4.47% in the past 24 hours on 6th of June. It is currently trading at $31,189 on the Bitstamp exchange. Bitcoin is still down 32.5% since the start of the year, meaning that the bears remain firmly in the driver's seat. Meanwhile, the market's bearish sentiment continues to linger. The Fear and Greed Index continues to show extreme fear. As reported by You Today, on-chain analysis shows that most short-term holders have now capitulated amid the most recent correction. Bitcoin's most recent price surge could still end up being a flash in the pan. On 1st of May, Bitcoin escalated to $32,375, the highest level in 3 weeks, but it ended up erasing its gains the next day and then began a dangerous drop. Veteran trader Peter Brun recently recently suggested that the price of Bitcoin could drop to as low as $12,000 during that bearish cycle. Well, it seems that the cryptocurrency market continues to slump, and how would you plan your investment strategy then? Comment below to share with me. If you like this video, please click the like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Hope you enjoy our weekly video from your crypto girl Angela Baby. See you in the next video.